Hello, welcome back to English Ember.
Hi everyone, we're so excited you're here.
I'm Ella.
And I'm James. On this channel, we help you improve your everyday English in a natural and fun way.
Today, we're going to talk about something very important, setting goals for 2026.
It's almost a new year and many people like to make plans for the future. This is a perfect topic to practice.
Please remember to like this video and subscribe to English Ember for more practical English lessons. It really helps us grow.
Let's get started.
So, James, are you excited about 2026?
Yes, I am. A new year always feels like a fresh start. What about you?
I feel the same way. I like the idea of new possibilities. Do you usually make New Year's resolutions?
Sometimes, but I'm not always good at keeping them. What about you, Ella?
I try to make goals every year. Some years I do well, other years not so much. But I think it's important to try.
I agree. Even if we don't achieve everything, it's good to have a direction.
Exactly. So, James, do you have any goals for 2026?
Yes, actually, I have a few goals. My first goal is to improve my health.
Oh, that's a very common goal. What do you mean by improve your health?
Well, I want to exercise more regularly. Right now, I only exercise once or twice a week. In 2026, I want to exercise at least 4 times a week.
4 times a week? That's a big change. What kind of exercise do you like?
I like going to the gym and I enjoy running. I think I will join a gym near my house. It will be more convenient.
That's a smart plan. When something is convenient, it's easier to do it regularly. I also want to exercise, but I prefer yoga.
Yoga is great for flexibility and relaxation. Do you do yoga now?
I do it sometimes at home with online videos, but I want to join a real yoga class with a teacher. I think it will help me stay motivated.
Motivation is so important. It's easy to give up when you do things alone. What's your main fitness goal?
My goal is to do yoga 3 times a week and to feel stronger and more flexible. I also want to reduce my stress.
Those are excellent goals. Health is really important. What other goals do you have?
Well, my second big goal is to learn something new. I want to learn how to cook better.
Really? That's interesting. Why cooking?
Because right now I can only make very basic meals. I want to learn how to cook more dishes, especially healthy meals. I think it connects to my health goal too.
That makes sense. Good cooking means healthy eating. How will you learn?
I think I will watch cooking videos online and maybe take a cooking class. There's a cooking school in my city that offers weekend classes.
That sounds fun. Learning to cook is a very useful skill. I actually want to learn something new too.
Oh, what do you want to learn?
I want to learn Spanish. I've always wanted to speak another language.
Spanish is a beautiful language and very useful. Many people speak Spanish. Why Spanish and not another language?
Because I love Latin American culture, and I want to travel to Spain and Mexico someday. If I can speak Spanish, my trips will be much better.
That's a great reason. Travel is always better when you speak the local language. How will you study Spanish?
I plan to use a language learning app every day for at least 30 minutes. I also want to find a language exchange partner online.
A language exchange partner is someone who speaks Spanish and wants to learn English, right?
Exactly. We can help each other. I teach them English and they teach me Spanish.
That's brilliant. So your goal is to reach a certain level.
Yes, by the end of 2026, I want to be able to have a basic conversation in Spanish. Nothing too advanced, just everyday conversations.
That's realistic. It's good to set achievable goals. Speaking of achievable, do you have any career goals?
Yes, I do. I want to get a promotion at work.
Oh, that's ambitious. What do you need to do to get promoted?
I need to show that I can take on more responsibility. I want to lead a project at work and prove that I can manage a team.
That sounds challenging, but exciting. When do you think you might get this promotion?
I hope by the middle of 2026, maybe around June or July. But I know it depends on many things.
It's good that you're setting a timeline. What about career goals for you, James? Do you have any?
Well, Ella, What about your career goals?
Oh, yes, my career goal is a bit different. I want to start a side business.
A side business. That's interesting. What kind of business?
I want to sell handmade jewelry online. I love making jewelry as a hobby, and I think other people might want to buy it.
That's creative. So you want to turn your hobby into a business.
Exactly. It's something I've thought about for a long time. In 2026, I finally want to do it.
How will you start?
First, I need to create more jewelry pieces. Then I'll take good photos and set up an online shop, maybe on a website for handmade items.
Will you keep your regular job?
Yes, at first it will be a side business. I'll work on it in the evenings and on weekends. If it becomes successful, maybe later I can do it full-time.
That's a smart approach. Start small and see what happens. I think it's wonderful that you're following your passion.
Thank you. I'm nervous, but excited. Let's talk about other types of goals. Do you have any personal development goals?
Personal development. That's about improving yourself as a person, right?
Yes, like your habits, your mindset, your relationships with others.
Okay, then yes. I want to read more books in 2026.
How many books?
I want to read at least one book per month. That's 12 books for the whole year.
That's a good goal. What kind of books do you like?
I like nonfiction books about personal growth, business, and history. I feel like I learn so much from reading.
Reading is excellent for your mind. My personal development goal is to be more organized.
More organized? In what way?
In every way. I want to keep my house cleaner, plan my week better, and not forget important things. I'm a bit messy right now.
Organization makes life easier. How will you become more organized?
I think I'll start using a planner to write down my tasks and appointments, and I'll set aside time each week to clean and organize my space.
That sounds like a solid plan. What about financial goals? Do you have any money goals?
Oh, yes, definitely. I want to save more money in 2026.
How much do you want to save?
I want to save at least 20% of my salary every month. Right now, I only save about 10%.
That's quite an increase. How will you do it?
I need to spend less on things I don't need, like eating out at restaurants too often or buying clothes I don't wear.
We all do that sometimes. It's hard to control spending.
It is, but I have a reason to save. I want to save money for a big trip.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Japan. I've always dreamed of visiting Tokyo and Kyoto, but it's expensive, so I need to save.
Japan is amazing. I hope you can go. My financial goal is similar. I want to save money for emergencies.
An emergency fund? That's very responsible.
Yes, I want to have enough money saved so if something unexpected happens, like a medical bill or car repair, I won't have to worry.
How much do you want in your emergency fund?
I want to save enough to cover 3 months of expenses. That's a common recommendation.
It's a smart goal. Now let's talk about relationships. Do you have any goals related to friends or family?
Yes, actually. I want to spend more quality time with my family. I feel like I'm always too busy with work.
Quality time means really being present and paying attention, right?
Exactly. Not just being in the same room, but really talking and doing activities together. I want to call my parents at least once a week and visit them once a month.
That's lovely. Family is so important. I want to be a better friend in 2026.
What does that mean?
It means I want to stay in touch with my friends more often. I'm bad at replying to messages and I often cancel plans. I want to change that.
So you want to be more reliable.
Yes, reliable and present. I want my friends to know they can count on me.
That's a wonderful goal. Good friendships need effort. You know, Ella, we've talked about many goals: health, learning, career, personal development, money, and relationships.
We have. It's quite a list, but I think these are the main areas of life where people set goals.
I agree. Now, here's an important question. How do we make sure we actually achieve these goals?
That's the hard part. Many people make goals but don't reach them.
Right. So what's the secret?
I think the first step is to write down your goals. If you write them, they become more real.
I agree. I always write my goals in a notebook. What else?
Make your goals specific. Don't just say, I want to exercise more. Say, I want to exercise 4 times a week.
Yes, specific goals are easier to measure. You can see if you're making progress.
Another tip is to break big goals into smaller steps. If your goal is to save a lot of money, start by saving a little bit each month.
Small steps are less scary, and you can celebrate small victories along the way.
Exactly. Celebrating progress keeps you motivated. What else helps?
Tell someone about your goals. When other people know, you feel more accountable.
Accountable means responsible, right?
Yes, if your friend knows you want to exercise more, you might feel embarrassed if you don't do it.
That's true. Social pressure can be good sometimes. Also, be patient with yourself. Change takes time.
Yes, don't expect perfection. If you miss a day at the gym or spend a little too much money, it's okay. Just start again the next day.
Exactly. It's about progress, not perfection. Well, I think we've covered a lot today.
We really have. Let's review the useful vocabulary we used.
Good idea. The first word is goal. A goal is something you want to achieve in the future.
For example, my goal is to learn Spanish. It's my target or aim.
Another word is resolution. A New Year's resolution is a promise you make to yourself at the start of the year.
Yes, like I make a resolution to eat healthier. It's similar to a goal.
We also said motivated. If you're motivated, you have energy and desire to do something.
Right. I'm motivated to save money because I want to travel to Japan.
Another word is achieve. To achieve means to successfully reach a goal.
For example, I want to achieve my fitness goals this year. It means to accomplish or complete.
We use the word realistic. A realistic goal is possible and practical.
Yes, it's important to be realistic. Don't set impossible goals.
And we mentioned accountable. If you're accountable, you're responsible for your actions.
I am accountable for my own success. Nobody else will do it for me.
Finally, we said progress. Progress is improvement over time.
I'm making progress with my Spanish studies. I'm getting better little by little.
Those are all very useful words for talking about goals and self-improvement.
Now it's time for our question of the day.
Are you ready? Today's question is, what is one goal you have for 2026?
Think about it. What do you want to achieve next year? It can be anything. A health goal, a learning goal, a career goal, anything.
Maybe you want to learn English better. That's a great goal, and we're happy to help you with that.
Write your answer in the comments below. You can write something like, my goal for 2026 is to read 20 books, or I want to learn to play the guitar.
We read every comment, and we love hearing about your goals. It's great practice for writing in English, too.
Don't be shy. Share your dreams with us. We're all here to support each other.
So, to summarize today's lesson, we talked about different types of goals you can set for 2026.
We discussed health goals, learning goals, career goals, financial goals, and relationship goals.
We also shared tips on how to achieve your goals, like writing them down, making them specific, and breaking them into small steps.
We hope this conversation inspired you to think about your own goals for the new year.
Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish, so make a plan and take action.
Thank you so much for watching English Ember today. We really appreciate you being here.
If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's learning English.
And don't forget to subscribe to English Ember and turn on notifications so you don't miss our new lessons.
We'll be back soon with another practical English conversation.
Until then, keep practicing, stay motivated, and work toward your goals.
From both of us, good luck with your 2026 goals.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.